Hulk smash.
Hulk smash.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Chef Eric Greenspan. I'm here with the Teenage Dads. Today, we're making smash burgers with new school American cheese.
We're going midnight driving. Can't you see I was trying? Don't you say we've arrived yet at the end? Oh no.
I was asking you guys, like, what you're in America, what are you eating? And you're like, Taco Bell and Whole Foods. I was thinking about oh God, what are we gonna make these guys, like, what makes sense? And it's like, I can't definitively send you guys back to Australia without having a cheeseburger, having a smash burger, right? So I'm gonna make kind of like a standard burger sauce, but for me, what I always love is these chili peppers right here. I'm gonna take these and we're gonna chop them up. Every good burger sauce has a little bit of ketchup in it, in my opinion. But this is the business.
Mayo.
It's not just mayo. I mean, obviously it's America, so we're gonna use a little bit of mayo. But this is Duke's mayo. I always throw a little bit of mustard in there, spicy mustard, and then I use a little bit of pickle juice, and then mix that whole thing up.
Big Mac sauce.
The best kind of smash burger is what they do in Oklahoma. It's called an Oklahoma onion burger.
Cool.
Okay? You take these onions, and we're gonna slice them super thin. You guys don't know what this is, do you?
They don't have bread in Australia.
No, nice. Haha! This is called King's Hawaiian. So I'm gonna drop these things on the grill. We're gonna toast these things off.
Do you actually smash it? Is that where it comes from? I've never heard the term.
You know, it's funny when you say it because you actually don't smash it. You actually
you smash it because you eat it really quickly.
That is another version of how you smash it. But you also you iron it. We're gonna take a little bit of the sauce. Right, we're gonna slather it on the bottom.
Pickles are great.
How good are these pickles, right? Pickles. That's the key to a good burger. Like a simple burger has great ingredients, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll these into 2-ounce balls. I'm gonna put like a mound of onions on top of each one of these. What brings you guys on tour to America? Are you guys promoting something? You got something new coming, or?
No, we had a UK and Europe tour kind of booked, and then this one came through as well, and we thought we may as well.
Oh, so you guys just got back from the UK and then came straight here?
We straight here. We've been away for like 3 months.
Oh wow!
So we thought, we're already on the other side of the world. We may as well hit America, and we.
Yeah, because we're right next to the UK.
Next to
yeah,
it.
I mean And you guys have a new album coming out that you're promoting, or?
Just a new song.
not
We
finished
put out a new song, which we played today.
Which one was that?
Speed Race.
Speed Race. I was about to say it. That one was fire.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, I really liked it.
Just you're my sweet dessert.
Now, Hulk smash.
Hulk smash.
So they're gonna press it down, and then you just kind of iron it. Once these burgers are gonna cook all the way through on one side, so it gets nice and kind of crispy, we're gonna finish it with what I think makes this burger the best, which is American cheese. And American cheese has typically been, low grade, kind of commodified processed food.
It's very orange here.
It's very orange here. So what I've done is with a really good friend of mine, have created a new American cheese called New School. So we basically take everything that's in American cheese, but use really, really quality ingredients. And you'll see how nice and kind of caramelized the meat is. Watch how this stuff melts. Take the other bun and kind of put it on top like that. And that's it, man. That is everything that you need to send you guys home with the right taste. You guys want to get the rest of the band in here? Let's
do it.
Oi, get over here.
Oi! Thanks for coming to America.
Thanks for the
Thank
burger.
you. We're gonna send you off proper.
So good, man.
Good. Nice.
Fantastic.
Nice. Thanks for coming to Band Appétit here at Jam in the Van. I'm Eric Greenspan, New School American Cheese. We'll see you the next time.